Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. An EP3 in the house, amongst other things. But an EP3 in the house. Today, this one's having a Japspeed 4:1 manifold. It's having a Tegiwa 70mm exhaust system. And then it's having an ECU exchange and map. So the old exhaust is coming off. It's seen better days. Look how small they are. This is why we unlock so much power with a decent exhaust system. So small. But yes, so that's what's happening. This exhaust, old system coming off, new system going on, and then it's time for some tuning. Yes. Okay, so the Tegiwa 70mm is on. That looks absolutely glorious. It does as well, don't it? 70mm system, mated to the Japspeed 4:1. I believe the customer would like some noise and some flames, but yeah, it's all in place. Very good, Richard.
Very good.
It's very good, very nice. Well, all of the work completed, and she's up on the dyno. Look at that beautiful thing. So it's had its manifold fitted, had its exhaust fitted. It's already got an induction kit, albeit a K&N one, but we'll see how we get on with this. It's time to do a power run as she is, and then we'll do an ECU exchange and start tuning. So here we go. On the Civic, most important thing, put oil in it. I check my oil every Saturday, and so should you. You have got the opportunity to save some money using the website worldoflubricant.co.uk. Great team there, loads of oils, everything you need, loads of advice if you need it as well, reach out to them. But you can use a code on their checkout, which is Dyno, D-Y-N-O, and you'll save yourself a packet. So go and do it, buy some additives, get some oil, make sure you've got some spare oil, all those sorts of good things. Check them out, worldoflubricant.co.uk, use code Dyno at the checkout. Okay, EP3 in the house, and as I said earlier, it's had its Japspeed 4:1 manifold fitted. You may have just seen the flames, obviously, and also a Tegiwa 70mm. Great value for money. That exhaust makes power. It's on a K&N induction kit, which we don't see very much often these days, because there are several better kits out there.
It did look brand new though, to be fair, so I assume he has obviously recently purchased that. So
yeah, it finished on 226 brake horsepower, which is obviously 26 brake horsepower up from when she was stock.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's made good mid-range power gains. Obviously, we ran this vehicle after we fitted the exhaust, and obviously had the induction kit this morning. So obviously we saw it at 222 where we started. So yeah, I mean, it made good power, you know, off the bat with the modifications, and it's continued to make power through mapping, extended the rev range, lowered the VTEC, the usual sort of stuff that we do. So I'm quite sure he'd be really happy with it. This car did have a stock exhaust on it as well, so yeah, there would be significant gains for him getting back in it over the stock exhaust, for sure. Great
car, made some nice flames, which obviously is my favourite bit. Look at the graph.
Yeah, let's have a look at the graph.
Look at the graph. Okay, so as Richard takes her outside, we'll look at this graph. Say it with me, lads. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. We've made power in the mid-range there, but power from the get-go, and as Richard said, lowered VTEC, extended the rev range, finishing on 226. 192 at the wheels. Yes, EP3. If you need any parts for an EP3, you give us a shout. We've got lots of parts for EP3s on the website. We do servicing, maintaining, anything you need here, from a clutch change to a set of coilovers. And obviously you guys know we've got a body shop, so if your paintwork's looking tired, come and give us a shout. But otherwise, we'll see you on the next one. Please do check out our sponsor, worldoflubricant.co.uk. And generally, we're on to the next one.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.